Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. Again, I am Ravi Singh here to tell you that how we can share the class code or meeting link to the students from the Google Meet app. First of all, again you have to install this Google Meet app, and in previous videos I told you that how you can create the class in the Google Meet app or how to create the class in Google Classroom app. Now in this video you have, after the installation or updating the Google Meet app, you have to go in Google Meet app. After going Google Meet app, suppose you are scheduling a class, then schedule in Google Calendar. After scheduling the Google Calendar, you have to add the title. After editing the title, you have to create this timing as per your timetable, and you can add the peoples here, and this will automatically run on the Google Meet app. You can add notification as per your convenience. You can add the location, and you can add the description also, and you can add the attachments. These all things I shared in the previous videos. Now after creating the class, this will looks like, and here you are seeing this. You can share the link from here. After clicking on this, what you are seeing, copy to clipboard, you can share on the WhatsApp group, you can give to the emails from the help of the Gmail, and also you can save this drive, into the drive. After clicking this copy to clipboard, you are seeing that copy to clipboard has been done. Now what you can do, you can go to the WhatsApp group any and you can share this link to the students. Now another thing you are seeing here, there's this trial which I created recently. It is showing, as well as it is showing in the calendar. So you can see in the Google Calendar. Here I am showing in the Google Calendar. After clicking the Google Calendar, you can see all this. So it is very easy friends. If you have any doubt, then you can ask and comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.